Alright, today in our cybersecurity class for beginners, we will be talking about different stages in which we implement security. But if you are coming across this video today for the first time, please do wait to give it a thumbs up. With that aside, let's go straight to business. So in cybersecurity, we have different stages or different phases in which we implement security. And the first one is identification. Identification is just a process of evaluating what you will be facing as a cybersecurity specialist in an organization. So basically, this is just a way of sitting down, looking at the system you are going to be securing, looking at it, and then identifying the possible challenges you will be facing. Because the earlier you know your challenges, the better for you. And moreover, in cybersecurity, one of the basic things you do from day to day is challenges, solving people's problem. Let's take an example. If you are employed in an organization, maybe to protect their website, the first thing you are going to do is to come sit down, look at the whole structure of the website, look at the programming language in which the website is being built. It is on JavaScript. Then you look at the code itself and then identify the loopholes, maybe the debugging ports, and a lot of things. So once you identify those things, at least you have an idea of what you will be facing. And the next one is protection. Protection is just basically the way of developing security solutions, configuring firewalls, configuring IPS, configuring IDS, just to protect what you are going to protect, whether being it network, being it website, being it servers or databases. Let's take an example. You are employed in this organization to protect their website, and their website has another incentive for their visitors. That is, I mean, people that visit the website. So in the process of the identification, you find out that there is no limit for referral withdrawals. So at this point of protection, you are going to identify this and then take this to the appropriate authority. From there, you will connect with the person or the company that developed the website, and from there, you and the people will be able to place a limit of withdrawal so as to prevent fraudulent withdrawal or referral withdrawals. The next one is detection. Detection is the process of constantly monitoring operations in your network. This is what most of the cybersecurity analysts do. You go to work, you sit down on your system, and you monitor all the packages coming out and out, in and out of the network, so as to detect any fishy or malicious browsing. You sit on the network, you use tools like maybe Wireshark and the rest of those tools, and you capture every bit session that is being established on that particular network. So at that process, it helps you to detect what is this IP address doing on this system. This IP address was on this network for about 1 hour now. So what it is doing on my website or on this website for about 1 hour. So let me check and see. From there, you have to use some tools and then capture those data packages and then analyze it. So that is basically what the detection phase means. The next one is response. Response is just what you will do when an incident happens. Will you be clapping hands? Will you be shouting? There must be a solution, and this whole company or the organization is looking up to you as a cybersecurity specialist to provide a solution, whether it contains technical approach or administrative approaches. And the last one is recovery. Recovery, as the name implies, is just a way of trying to mitigate or reduce the impact if an incident happens. It involves getting into action, stopping the impact, recovering what you have to recover, and then providing another solution. Or even if it involves in shutting down temporarily the operation of the site or of the network or of the database, just to recover what you are supposed to recover in order to limit the impact. If you have watched this video to this point, it therefore means that you are interested in cybersecurity, and I am urging you to please give it a thumbs up for more updates. See you in my next video.